Good day, this is Spencer Cannon with KPI Fire. I'm excited to show you the KPI Fire platform. Again, the problem within the continuous improvement and Lean Six Sigma community out there is that everyone's trying to use spreadsheets. They're trying to track metrics. They're trying to tie them to all the different projects going on within their organization across multiple locations and teams and departments and even countries. And there's really not a lot of great tools out there to track all of that. Well, that's what we've solved here at KPI Fire, is a single cloud-based tool that gives your entire company an easy-to-use platform to manage your entire continuous improvement program. And so let's start right here by talking about ideas. Of course, this is where all the great revelation comes for senior staff, as it comes from the frontline employees oftentimes. And so this is a place for them to put in any idea that they have. I have an idea to make line A faster, and it's for this particular department. All they do is they hit that button right there, and it falls into an idea funnel. And you can look at all the different ideas that have been submitted, who created it, what department, when it was submitted, what type of effort and impact that idea might have. And once you've decided as a management to move forward on an idea, all you do is you click on it. It opens up a project charter. Right? You can put in your goal statements, the opportunities that this project might solve, and assign a department and a team to it. So let's just put a team together, right? And I'll show you how quick this works, right? We're going to put some team members on here. You can make one a leader, one a sponsor, and the rest members, etc. And then let's put a workflow around this particular project. There's a whole bunch to choose from: DMAIC, PDCA, 5S, or any custom workflows that you want to load yourself and build out. But let's choose a DMAIC. You'll see how I'll put this together so quick. All the task groups show up. I can open up the define that task group there, and I can see and start putting members that will own these various tasks in here. They can just come in and mark these as doing, done. There's due dates, of course, for each of these tasks, a place to put any kind of approvals that might need to be inserted here. If a task needs to be approved before they can move on, that can be inserted there. It's a place to attach any kind of documentations, whether it be a training template or any training videos, before and after pictures, anything you'd like to put in here. This can be attached not just to the project, but to the task itself. This really helps new employees. Maybe it's a green belt you're trying to train. They can just get in. They have everything they need there to get in, get the task done, and get on with their day. So again, you're looking at a pretty easy to use project management tool here, with all the basic features like timelines, like a Gantt chart, a place to store files, any kind of messages that might be going back and forth between team members. There's also a place to track and record project benefits. Whether it's some hard and soft savings you want to put in there against project costs, those three metrics will roll up here into this total benefit. And you'll see, actually, as the project moves along, month by month, week by week, how much money this project is actually saving the company. So you can take a look at all the projects at the same time in a condensed view like this. See the project leader, completion dates. You can look at the project health, which ones are on schedule, which ones need a little more sunlight, etc. You can slice and dice these by department, however you guys want to build out your organization there. It's also a place to see all of the total benefits of all of the projects going on across the entire corporation or within a particular division of a company. You can slice and dice that data. Again, a real-time view as to how effective your continuous program is working within your organization. There's other types of views as well. If you want to see projects by schedule, by workflow, by department, there's a resource loading view right here where you can see who's got work, who needs more work, etc. And so, again, KPI Fire is a great project management tool, but here's what makes it different, is that projects within KPI Fire can be linked directly to metrics, and I'll show you how that works. These are the metrics within this organization. In fact, let me just show all the metrics for this particular manufacturing company. You can see right here that downtime is a metric that they're tracking. You can see the green, yellow, reds. You can track month by month what the performance looks like. You can see by a quarterly view or a year to date, etc. All of this stuff can be downloaded, put into files, whether it be like a PNG or any kind of CSV file that you want to pull this data out and put into a presentation, or you can just look at it from the web app here. But here's what's different. You can see this metric right here is actually pulling sub-metric data from multiple locations. So 2 different sub-metrics below here, you can see the different types of metrics that this parent metric is pulling from. And so I'm going to go back up to our up to the very top there and show you that downtime here. They could see that this. Let's look at hourly throughput. You can see this company has set 2 goals to improve this metric. And I'll click on those 2 linked goals, and you can see the 2 different goals that they've chosen to really focus on to improve that metric. And if I look down at the bottom right of this tile here, you can see 3 linked projects. I'll click on that. You can see the projects that have been put in place to achieve the goal to eventually affect the metric. And so you can see how every effort within an organization can now be tied to goals and company strategy on how to improve metrics. And so very easy to use, and I'll show you why, is most of your employees, when they log in the morning, this is what they see. James Dean, he's going to come in, he's going to see all the projects he's involved with. He can click on those and open up the project charter. He'll see all the tasks that are due. You can see he can just click them off right here from this main login screen. Any notifications that are waiting for him, his execution percentage as an employee, the projects he's involved with, how many he's got, and how much money he is saving the company as a whole, as a personal individual within the organization. So again, KPIFire is designed for strategy and continuous improvement leaders, but it's designed also so that everyone in the company can engage, get involved, see how they're doing, see how they're affecting the metrics that everyone's trying to push hard, and they all get that real time. Executives, they can see performance and progress at every single level of the company, and they get that real time as well. This is cloud-based. This is a mobile-friendly app that can be used and worked on from any mobile device. It requires no maintenance from IT. This is all, again, handled as a SaaS tool, and so there's no downloading, easy to deploy and train on. Excited to show what we've done in the UTA account. We put your own projects in there. We've put your metrics, and we're excited to show you what that looks like in the coming days and weeks from now. Again, thanks for listening. My name is Spencer Cannon with KPIFire, and have a great day.